Welcome to SUP's Top 5 Reasons to Get a GoPro or Sports Camera Handle Mount. Mounting your GoPro or sports camera to your paddle handle is a great way to film your SUP adventures, and today we look at our top 5 reasons this mount is the best camera mount for stand-up paddleboarding. Join us as we count down the top 5 reasons to mount your camera to your paddle handle. Starting with number 5, having your GoPro or sports camera securely mounted to your paddle handle allows you to have hands-free filming, which is great for when you are paddling and for portage. A proper mount also means that you won't drop your GoPro into the water or lose not only your expensive camera, but also your precious images and footage. The fourth best reason to mount your camera to your paddle handle is that you can use your paddle to help stabilize your footage. Being on water means that you're constantly moving and your footage will reflect this. Resting your paddle on your board as you film reduces this movement. The third best reason to mount your camera to your paddle handle is that it allows you to extend your camera's reach. As GoPros have limited ability to zoom in on your subject, having your camera on the end of your paddle means you can get close-up footage and photos of your subject more easily. The second best reason to mount your camera to your paddle handle is one of our favourites. Having your camera on the end of your paddle handle means you can easily invert your paddle and take awesome photos and footage of underwater scenes. And our number one favourite reason to have your GoPro attached to your paddle is that you can turn your paddle into a great selfie stick. This gives you greater flexibility to include more of your surroundings in your image or footage, better capturing those special moments to become lifetime memories. For more information on the paddle handle camera mount that we use, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching SUP's Top 5 Reasons to Mount Your GoPro or Sports Camera to your SUP paddle handle. Feel free to like and subscribe. See you next time.